Hey there! Welcome to our journey through the intriguing world of atomic structure. Today, we are diving into Class 12 concepts, breaking them down into bite-sized pieces anyone can understand. 1. Introduction to fundamental particles. Imagine an atom as a tiny universe. At its core are three fundamental particles: protons, neutrons, electrons. Protons carry a positive charge, electrons carry a negative charge, and neutrons have no charge. 2. Discovery of electron. In the late 19th century, scientists were curious about the nature of electricity. Using cathode ray tubes, J.J. Thomson discovered the electron, a negatively charged particle. 3. Mass of electrons. While electrons are tiny, they do have mass. Thomson measured the charge-to-mass ratio of electrons through experiments, paving the way for understanding their role in atoms. 4. Discovery of neutrons. The story of the neutron unfolded in the 20th century. Chadwick confirmed its existence through experiments involving beryllium and paraffin wax, adding a new dimension to our understanding of atomic structure. 5 properties of fundamental particles. Each particle has its own unique properties. Protons determine the element's identity, electrons determine its chemical behavior, and neutrons stabilize the nucleus. 6. Alpha ray scattering experiment. Ernest Rutherford's famous experiment involved firing alpha particles at a thin gold foil. Most passed through, but some deflected, leading to the discovery of the atomic nucleus. 7. Rutherford model. Based on his findings, Rutherford proposed a model where electrons orbit a positively charged nucleus, much like planets orbiting the Sun. This model revolutionized atomic theory. 8. Drawbacks of Rutherford model. However, the Rutherford model faced challenges. According to classical electromagnetism, orbiting electrons would lose energy and spiral into the nucleus, which contradicted observations. In conclusion, our exploration of the full atomic structure has taken us from the discovery of fundamental particles to the development and limitations of early atomic models. Stay curious, as there's always more to uncover in the fascinating world of science. Thanks for joining us on this journey. See you next time.